Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to create music with BandLab. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of how you can create your own completely unique drum sound and become a BandLab Beat Master. I want to share with you 3 simple super hacks for creating fresh and original drum beats in the style of your choice using MIDI files. Using just one MIDI file, we're going to change this into this. Let's go! Log into BandLab. Click Create. Let's make music. Browse loops. Click on all loops. Click on MIDI. In the search bar, type in beat. Now you will see a number of beats that have appeared. Click on the beats, and when you find one you like, double click. Click on the drum pads icon. We can now see the details of the instrument used. It's a drum pad and the legendary 808 kit. Click on the track name and rename it to 808 kit. Duplicate the track by clicking on the ellipsis. Click Duplicate Track. Click on the new copied track and solo it so that we can hear only this track. Play it again to remind you of the 808 sound. Changing the kit. If you click on the 808 kit, other kit options are revealed. Here we can change the sound of the original beat by choosing another drum kit. To audition a kit, click on the play button. If you like what you hear, click on the name of the kit and it will load up. Now when you play the original beat, it will sound different as it's played on the new kit. Rename the copied track after the kit being used. Repeat this process to hear the original beat played on another kit. Duplicate the track, ellipsis, duplicate track, but this time don't forget to take the solo off the last kit. Select the newly copied kit by clicking on it. Find another kit you like. When you find one, click on the name of the kit and it will load up. Rewind and play the original rhythm. If you like the new kit, rename it. Don't forget to save your work. Repeat this process as many times as you like until you've found the perfect sounding kit for your beat. Introducing drum kits. So far we have used instruments from the drum pad section, but there is so much more to explore in BandLab. First, duplicate the last track. Select it and solo it. Click on Drum Pads. Click on Drum Kits. The first kit on the list is Afro-Cuban percussion. Maybe this is something you wouldn't normally try, but it's always worth experimenting. So, rewind to the beginning and have a listen. If you like it, keep it, and if you don't, find another one. Repeat this process until you've found at least two that you like. Introducing Creator Kits. This is where the real fun starts. Creator Kits are different from drum kits or drum pads as they include other instruments. So as well as drum sounds, we may hear bass, synthesizers or even vocals. You never really know what you're going to get with a Creator Kit. Once again, duplicate a track. Click on it, go down to Drum Kits and go up to Creator Kits. Here's a few I like. Have some fun experimenting and maybe find something really different. Try and find at least two Creator Kits that you like. The art of slicing. Let's get even more creative. Slicing up beats can produce some very interesting and original outcomes. It gives us the opportunity to choose a small section of a beat played on one drum kit and mix it up with another. To make this as simple as possible, go to Settings, hover over grid size and choose bar. What this does is ensure that we splice or cut a track exactly on the bar line, which means we won't go out of time. As you get more experienced, you can experiment with smaller grid settings. Turn the cycle on. It defaults to repeat after 4 bars. Now, choose just 4 of the tracks that you like best. Solo them one at a time, listen carefully, and move your favourites up to the top of the screen. Now mute all the other tracks. Select all the tracks by holding down Ctrl and A in Windows or Command A on a Mac. Move the cursor to bar number 2 and tap S on the QWERTY keyboard. Now click on bar 3 and press S, and finally bar 4 and press S again. We now have each of the beats cut into 4 slices. If you have any here, select them and delete them. Let's concentrate on those top 4 tracks. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to delete the others. Now I'm going to randomly pick just one block from each track. Let's have a listen. From now on, it's just a case of experimenting, being creative, and thinking out of the box. Every time you get something that sounds good, copy it to the next 4 bars. Extend the cycle by dragging the orange bar from bar 5 to bar 9. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Choose one track and allow it to play all the way through, giving the rhythm some continuity. Using the bracketed arrow icons, drag them out to reveal the original track. Once changed, copy it to create a new section. If you don't want to go back to the beginning every time you press play, take the cycle off. Now click on the bar you want to start from and press play. Alternatively, move the cycle to the 4 bars you are now working on. When you've created 4 new sections, set the cycle from bar 1 to bar 17 and listen to it all the way through a couple of times. I hope you found this video useful and have been inspired to create more music. I'd love to hear how you get on, so please post a comment below and share any new ideas that you come up with. Please consider subscribing so that you don't miss the next video. And if you think others would get value from it, please like and share. Until the next time, keep making music.